Grab a bar of soap and a grater. Grate the entire bar into fine shavings. Next, take a tube of toothpaste and squeeze a generous amount onto the grated soap. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda on top of the soap and toothpaste mixture. Use your hands to knead the ingredients together until you get a smooth, even mixture. This should only take a minute or 2. Now take the mixture and shape it into 3 small balls. They don't need to be perfect. Just make sure they're compact and hold together nicely. Next, grab 3 small pieces of aluminum foil. Place each ball in the center of the foil and wrap them up completely. Take a fork and poke small holes all over the foil on each of the balls. If you have ever struggled with stubborn salt stains or limescale buildup in your toilet, you know that no matter how hard you scrub, it just won't go away. Drop just one of these balls into your toilet tank and watch the magic happen. These DIY cleaning balls will dissolve slowly, tackling salt deposits, limescale, and even those annoying hard water stains. They'll also keep your bathroom smelling fresh.